So welcome Vivian Eisha to IndianExpress.com and welcome back to Colors family. How are you guys feeling to be back home?
Thank you so much. It feels great to be back home and over and over again.
Tell us what is Sirf Tum all about? What is the show all about? The promo looks amazing, but you guys give us more details.
Sirf Tum is a story. The backdrop is about medical college and these two people, and of course, there's so many characters in the show, and majorly it is based on medical college, and these two have their own individualities, and the chemistry between all the students collectively plus these two characters, Ranveer and Sohan. This is what Sirf Tum is about, and this is like a very basic information. For more than this, you should watch the show.
Tell us more about these two very different characters and how they fall in love, if you can give us some secrets.
I think promo justifies a lot because these two are poles apart. They are two very different individuals. Sohani is like water. She's really calm, composed. And on the other hand, we have Ranveer, who's like fire.
He is.
He is
Quite a lot.
So I think these two characters, fire and water, they are poles apart, and how they fall in love, it's gonna be really interesting because personally talking about Sohani and Eisha, I feel that this girl, Sohani, she's very much into herself. She's as calm as water. She's very innocent. And now when she falls in love, or when these two are together, how the chemistry is gonna work, how they will be, it's gonna be interesting. Like, I'm excited to see that.
Firstly, do you guys also believe that opposite attracts, that people, such different people can fall in love and live happily ever after?
Honestly speaking, one can never generalize that opposite attracts, to be very precise, because as far as the approach of the show is concerned, there is a description which is given about the characters. It's not only because they will attract only because they are opposite. It's because they will find their love in each other more than anything, and simultaneously. Over the period of time, a lot of things will develop, even the approach of the show when it comes to the chemistry. So we are focusing more on the intensity of the characters. Whereas when you say it's a romantic show, people would expect only intimacy. So more than intimacy, we are focusing on the intensity part of the character. And even the approach of one loving the other is quite different. Trust me, you will see it in the show.
There has been a little bit of criticism since the promo came in that being a RK once again, because there was all fire and you dressed in a suit. What do you have to say about that, since there will be comparisons with RK?
People will have 100 things to say, to be very honest. And if I'm wearing a suit that makes me RK, then what else is a man supposed to wear? Sari? Tell me a formal outfit for a man which will not look like the other man who's wearing formals.
Right.
So it's very normal. For me to wear a suit means I'm dressed up formally. So that's the look and feel of the first promo. This is what people say, that okay, because we have fire, we have this guy who is looking like a brooding guy, angry guy, so he's doing exactly like RK. He's not. Just because I had worn a suit in another show doesn't make this show like the previous show. So फिर इस हिसाब से तो सारे डेली सोप सेम होने चाहिए. हर हीरोइन ने सलवार सूट पहना हुआ है.
I have a small quiz for you. Just 3 questions each, okay? Which city does Eisha belong to?
Bhopal.
Amazing. Eisha, which sport does Vivian plays?
Football.
Superb. What was the name of Eisha's debut TV show?
Ishka Rang Safed. Yeah. That's what we did a mock shoot together. That's what she reminded me.
Eisha, which supernatural character has Vivian played in a TV show?
Vampire.
Amazing. The last one.
Ask how she would remember. She was in school that point of time.
I used to watch Pyar Ke Kaam.
She was in school.
And Eisha, Vivian, tell me how many characters did Eisha play in her TV show? Ek tha Raja, Ek thi Rani.
That's quite a question. I wouldn't know.
3. Eisha, it's your chance to win.
Okay. How can I know? I don't watch TV myself.
Eisha, it's your chance to win this quiz. Tell me 2 reality shows that Vivian has participated in.
Everybody knows.
Khatra
It.
Khiladi Jhalak Dikhla Ja.
Everybody. You are asking her questions that are available on Google also. People would know.
This is also available on Google.